So my t-shirts came in today. I'm really excited to open the package. I bought it from Awesome Merchandise. So I like the packaging they have here. Another awesome delivery. Being regular.
The extra, sorry. Did you say the extra?
You can be. Do you want to tell us a little bit about how you're feeling right now? So when you look at this during portfolio time?
My mood, my heart.
Okay. How are you feeling right now?
Not so good.
I actually watched all your vlogs.
Oh my god. And how are you feeling right now?
Yeah.
What would you say to your... Okay.
What do you say to the fans?
I watched your vlogs too.
Yay!
I want to say I'm a fan.
Yay!
I think you're better.
But you guys, if you were speaking to your future selves when you graduate, what would you say right now?
Good question.
Like if you were to see this, what would you say?
Freeze yourself.
I'll come back. I'll be back. I'll be back.
Freeze yourself.
I'll think about it. I'll be back.
Think about it, be back. Okay. I like that. Have We can get both in. Do what you like. No judgment.
Love it.
We're here with Lily the beautiful, Zazu the great, and all this food. What should we do? Eat. There we go.